Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a 1950 Chevy Suburban. This is a casting by Matchbox, and as you can see it's part of their moving parts line and has got an opening hood. So let's open it up and see how does it look. So here is the Suburban out of its box, and as you can notice it's finished in red because it's a fire department vehicle. It says Matchbox Fire Department. I do like the two-tone paint job. I do like the wheels, which we have seen on so many recent Matchbox cars, and they look good. They look older, steel wheel kind of design. Now coming to the front, as you can see, you've got detailed headlamp, you've got chrome bumper, chrome grille, Matchbox is in the front, and again chrome trim, which usually used to reach Chevy. I've seen some older cars. As shown on the picture, it has got an opening hood. So there it is. It opens up. And the engine has got some good details inside. You can see it's painted. You can also see the radiator. You can see some other lines and parts going on there. So good work there. Got good details. Now let's move to the driver's side. Again, same as on the passenger side, you've got the fire department paint, you've got the door handle here, and the interior is done in actually two-tone, which is what you used to get on the classic cars, where the dash and everything was metal, so it was same as the body color, as you can see. And the interior is in kind of a beige or gray shade, which is like also very classic. And since it was an older car, so you all see all the bench seats front and back, so good details. Also, you can see the Unit 3 written here, which is also mentioned up front. Unit 3 on this side. I think this might be fuel filler or might be tail lamp. Looks like it might be tail lamp. It's a finished in chrome. Also on sides you can see the step finished in chrome. Rear looks like I can't figure out where the tail lamps are. I might have to go back and look some pictures, but you have got the chrome bumper, and it looks like a two-piece tailgate. I think half of the part opens up and the other half opens on the bottom, because I can see some hinges here. You can see a place for tail lamp, again no details there. Sorry, place for number plate, but no details there. And this is how it looks from the top. The bottom, it's a chrome base. So overall, I would say it's a nice casting. I really like it, and I think this is where the fuel filler is. Obviously I like the details on the engine, which again looks really good, and I think Matchbox has done a good job recently bringing out some of the classic vehicles and newer vehicles in the moving parts line with some good details. So those are my thoughts. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.